And you are there. And you are there. Yo, much what do you eat for you to have energy like that? Swimming is not easy, Sunny. I think you now kwatafia wakashiwamo. Otherwise, if you now kwata wakashiwangi more than one, you can't swim like this, ma. You are like Kolimbe. You is once in a while. It's as needed as the protocol says. Not that as the way my nigga does it. Yo, you can't survive here. Have you seen your friend boat cruising with something that is being saved in the West? Wow, you're enjoying, eh? This is how you live your life, Kansh. Hi guys, here is a new video. As we're chilling by the Chongwe River here, we're swimming in a stream, the river. It's a very big river. It's just that people are used, we enjoy. We're now friends with the river and the water. And you can swim as far as all this river. To the other side, it's just stuck because of these trees, stubs. Otherwise, you see where they are going. It's very far. As you can see, the boat cruiser himself is just enjoying there with a boat, but he doesn't catch fish. He's not interested in fish. He's only interested with his boat. His only interest is in the boat. When he comes out from there, just watch and subscribe and follow for more videos. And you are here enjoying? Enjoying. What of those bottles? You are fire extinguisher and water? My life jacket. Life jacket, boy. You love your life? Life jacket. You are enjoying the water together with the nature and the snakes, even the crocodiles. So you can swim as if as you are floating, just like that. There you are moving. This is now 3 kilometers. You are just swimming. And you are there. Okay, you can go now whenever you want to go. It's your boat cruiser. Is it an Hilux or what engine? What engine is that?
This is those trucks, sir. Those trucks. Those trucks, like. They were calling them at long nose. There are rocks here.
Nainaka wiboko. Soko.
Boy, kunika maboti munga yaliko.
Apa you been enjoying this boat that you've known how to cruise? You are missing a roti that time, you just didn't know. So na becha mambali yako nyumba yo chaira boat chani. Oh.
Kuchena maji.
Ako asking.
Watch in what? Like and subscribe.
Watch, like, and subscribe and follow for more videos. Chongwe River, the vibers. Enjoy the nature, enjoy the Chongwe River. Who put that pit out?